This Beiser Realty property video is presented by Bennett. This home has been updated with new siding, roof, windows. Open floor plan and kitchen has lots of storage. New paint upstairs and newer laminate flooring in main level. 2 full baths and 3 bedrooms. Still in need of a few finishes and updates, but what a value for the size. Close to schools, aquatic center, and stores. Nice trees and lilacs too. Could be room to build a garage behind home. For more information, review the details below.